Good morning, folks. I'll be taking you to the introduction of Finacle. So I have devised roughly more than 150 videos on various products and processes of Finacle, 10 version developed by Infosys. So please observe the screen very carefully and start noting it down. So I'll be speaking very slowly to wherever you feel is important. Note it down. I think that will help you while you're working in the branches of the bank, because I know you're not well equipped while dealing with these matters in the branches. So first of all, let me start with the introduction of Finacle. The features of Finacle: a banking solution provided by Infosys. It runs on Unix operating system, Oracle as the backend RDBMS, that is Relational Database Management System Engine, is highly flexible and scalable. So flexible means we can use these features according to our requirement, and scalable, various features are added into it. Finacle conforms to core banking, consumer, e-banking, web-based cash management requirements. Is customer-centric and not account-centric. So the meaning of this is customer belongs to the bank and account belongs to the branch. So a customer, if he's having an account with the bank, he belongs to the whole of the bank, not that particular branch. Means he can operate from any branch of the bank anywhere in India. So customer belongs to the bank, account belongs to the branch, right? So this is called universal banking system, right? It provides multilingual support. It is supported in various South Indian languages: English, Hindi, right, Arabian also. So Infosys has developed all these processes. Multi-level security. So at every level there is a security, right? Provides multi-level security. Operating system level server access is provided to only one person, right? Application level, user IDs and passwords. So user IDs are created as per the requirement of the bank, as per the designation of the official or the banker who is working in that particular bank. So Finacle also provides unified view across all modules in the solution. Unified means we can have access to all his deposit accounts, loan accounts, how much he is earning from the bank, how much he is paying to the bank in case if he has taken a loan, or how much bank is paying as interest to the customer, whatever his investment he has made, whatever income he has made from the investment of the products of the bank. So it provides a unified view across a one click of a command. We can have the access of all the views. That is, we call it 360-degree view of the customer. Facilitates the front offices and back offices concept. Account opening, signature scannings, clearing. This is all back offices concepts. Now front offices, those who are working in the branches dealing with the customers directly. Regulatory reporting, risk management, ensure best practices adherence. Supports to interface with all the payment systems, central bank, clearing houses, card issues. Provides various tools and utilities such as content sensitive help. The help windows describe the field information on investment status. Memo pad. Now this is very important. Suppose in case there is a customer who has not made a nomination in his account, or we require a customer to come to the branch and do some work that has been gone missing, so we can write it on the memo pad. So whenever the account of the customer is opened, it will give us a pop-up that there is memo pad, will give us a pop-up, and that will show what is required in the system. So we can have the reminders facility on the account. We can generate letters, letter of thanks while opening the account, letter to the guarantor, letter to the introducer. So we can generate this letter generator from the system. Audit trail, bird's eye view of transactions created in the system. Certain transactions, details, user details, and timestamp. Timestamp means when the transaction was made, at what time, at what system it was passed by the maker, at what time it was confirmed by the checker. So folks, Operations in Finacle, customer master maintenance, KIF ID creation, opening of accounts, account maintenance, closure of accounts, transactions. I hope you all know what is a cash transaction, clearing, outward and inward, transfer transactions. And there are three types of office accounts, right? Basic, pointing, posting and HO accounts. The posting, how we post, I'll share it in future videos how we post in HO accounts. So this will help you in your working in the branches. Inventory management, checkbook maintenance, demand drafts, payment system, other operations and term deposits. So friends, there are certain terms which are used in Finacle. So I shall be dealing, you can note it down, that's why I'm going very slow, or you can repeat the video, right? Workflow, sequence of functions to be followed, sole ID, service outlet ID, branch code, 4-digit. From this is sole ID where the account has been opened or wherever the transaction is being made. Every branch is allotted a sole ID and all the accounts opened in that branch start with that sole ID so that bank anywhere in India can know where that account belongs to which branch of the bank. Menu shortcut used to navigate through screens. Scheme types, groups of products of same nature, hard-coded, 17 in numbers. So there are 17 schemes through which we open accounts. Scheme code. Now this is very important. We allot a code in the Finacle system so that we can identify which account has been opened or what the rate of interest has to be paid to the customer in case if it is FD or savings account. Defined under a scheme type created for each bank product linked to subsidiary general ledger. Now next is very important. We allot this KIF ID. KIF is customer information file. So before opening an account, we create an KIF ID. And every customer is required to have only one KIF ID in the bank. He cannot have multiple KIF IDs in a bank, right? So while we open a KIF ID, we do a dedupe check, means in case if he is already having an account in any branch in India, so we can use that KIF ID for opening that account in a particular branch. So that we call it customer information file. Contains 10 digits. It can vary as per bank's requirements. Corporate customer first digit starts with A, retail customer first digit starts with 2. So in various banks they have different customizations. It may vary. I'm just giving you just idea about how this KIF ID is created. So friends, next is customer accounts open for a customer under a scheme code. It contains 15 digits. It may vary. Some it may have 13 accounts, 14 digits, or 13 digits, 14 digits, 16 digits as per customization requested by the bank to Infosys. First digit type of account like customer's account, office account. Next 5 digit is subsidiary general ledger head code. Next 8 digit is serial number and last digit is a check digit. So check digit is allotted by the system as per his own requirement, as per customization of the bank. Now very important is this office accounts. So just have an idea. You should have brief knowledge. I know most of you may not be working in office accounts, because generally they are dealt with either back offices. So general accounts, other than customer accounts used by the bank internally, OAB, you can note it down, office accounts basic. Now what are the examples of these accounts? Like cash, asset accounts, liability accounts, income accounts, expenses accounts, right? OAP, office accounts pointing, and these are like sundry and suspense. So I hope you all know what a sundry account is, what a suspense account is. So whenever any excess cash is found or any customer has given a wrong account number, we park it in the sundry account. Or when we make a payment or any this thing is done, so we debit suspense and make payment, or for any expenditure nature. So OAB is office accounts basic, OAP is office accounts pointing. OSP, office system pointing, proxy accounts. So what are proxy accounts? Sometimes at the day end there are certain entries system is not able to find out where those amount are to be transferred to, where they were meant to, or there were certain mistakes by the maker or the checker while creating those entries. So day end has to be done. So in that cases system marks these entries in the proxy accounts, and next day when the day begin happens, all those entries are to be reversed as per the actual requirement of the branch. Next is HOC, that is head office accounts. So these I have given you very briefly about customer accounts and office accounts. So friends, again there are certain common keys used in the Finacle system. F1 is for help, F2 for showing list, drop down when you want to see the list, wherever. So when I'll be showing the actual screenshots, therein you can have this idea. Or now we have this drop down, so you mouse click on it and you can work on it. Another good feature of this Finacle new version is that it is more of mouse centric than of keyboard centric. Earlier we had to use more of keyboard. Now we can use it is more of mouse. That is mouse click. It is very convenient, user friendly. So when I'll be taking it to the screenshots, you can see there. F3 when you want to go back. F4 accept, right? Whenever a customer, so I'll be showing you when we create transactions what is the use of F4 and F10. F4 is you have accepted particular entry. F10 is when you save it, right? So maker will do F4, F10, then checker will also do F4 and F10, and he will verify that. F9 when we are making any payment, we want to see the signature we want to tally the signatures in the check with the system. We may press F9. Now there are certain icons available on the Finacle system. You click on that with the mouse. You need not press F9. So there are certain keys are there, so I thought I'll share it with you. Control X populates default values in the field. We call it also explode. So suppose there is any debit entry and you press Control X, so where that debit entry originated from, where it has gone means where it is credited, it will be shown in the system. So there is F1, F2, F3, F4, F9, F10, Control X. These are the keys you may remember, but in actual system we have various icons available in the Finacle system. You just click with the mouse, your signature will populate. Or you want to go back, drop down, show list F2, you drop down, you click on the drop down with the mouse, you'll have all the various lists which either of which you can select for making that transactions. So friends, most of you must be aware how the screen looks like of the Finacle. So universal UBS, Universal Banking Solutions from Infosys, user ID. All those who join the bank, they are allotted a user ID as per their requirements, and passing powers and their various powers are allotted as per their designation. And password they can create after the database operator has allotted them a simple password which needs to be changed frequently. So this is an image of a sign on the screen, right?